And so take us through the transition then. So refis kind of dry up. Then what'd you do? Where'd you go from there?
Well, then I went looking for what to do next. I didn't really know where to go. I found the MMA and I signed up for the group coaching initially. I before I even signed up, actually, I went to an event down in Orlando, was really impressed, really inspired, and came back and signed up right away for the group coaching. And I did that for a while, and I had really good improvement. And then I got to the point where I knew I needed to make the next step, and I needed more one-on-one attention. So signed up for Freedom Club after that.
It's inspiring.
It is inspiring. So did you start to see results pretty quickly from that, or?
Within a month? Yeah, within a month, I started to see results. And I saw that pretty much all the way through the rest of that year. And then that's when I started to say, hey, maybe I can get even better out of this. I have to figure out when and if I'm going to bring help on. And I've got some more things that I need to figure out. And I needed some more one-on-one coaching after maybe 8 months of the group coaching.
So after 8 months of being with MMA group coaching, that's when you decided, okay, let's see if I can take this to another level. And that's when you met Coach Jeannie.
That's right.